So we are currently, by some accord, entering into what some are calling the Pyrocene, an age dominated by fire.
Most wildfires are being caught at a much later stage in the process, when the trees are already on fire and smoke plumes are rising above the canopy, but then you already have a catastrophe in the making.
So we believe there's a better way. We believe by using essentially an e-nose, being able to smell the wildfire as it starts, that we can have a detection within minutes and act within minutes.
Now that we have Silvanet, the next logical step is also to work on the extinguishing side.
There's currently no other solution that can detect, and the ability to fully autonomously launch a system that can reach the wildfire location. This is revolutionary.
This drone can get there before responders. It can give critical information. If we add now a suppression capability, then we're talking about huge averted losses.
If we can cut down on wildfires, we can buy time and actually revert some of the destruction we're seeing, and that's the mission of Dryad.